you talk about the possibility of our solar system being visited, perhaps even colonized by another spacefaring civilization. And just curious as to why, what inspired that?
Most of the stars in the Milky Way galaxy are billions of years older than the Sun. And the Sun is a relatively late star. And that implies that if a civilization preceded us on another star in the Milky Way galaxy, they had a head start relative to us. And with the kind of probes that we sent out of the solar system, like Voyager 1, Voyager 2, Pioneer 10, Pioneer 11, or New Horizons, it would take less than 1 billion years to go to the other side of the Milky Way galaxy. And so that means that they could have came to our backyard by now if they started the journey more than 1 billion years ago. And the question is, can we find traces of such a visit? And one possible region that they would be interested in is the habitable region around the Sun. And that includes the Earth and potentially Mars when it had an atmosphere. And so the interesting question is whether we could search for any infrastructure that may have existed technological in origin on Mars, because it's like a museum. It was preserved. There is not much mixing of the outer surface of Mars with the interior over the past few billion years, and we could therefore search it for any objects that may have been artificial in origin.